Last October, OpenAI said an AI had solved 10 unsolved math problems. It hadn't. It had surfaced 10 papers that already existed, and the mathematician who runs the database called it a dramatic misrepresentation. The post got deleted. This weekend, OpenAI said it again. 10 problems, all of them open for at least a decade. Only this time, they published the proofs. Meet Astra, OpenAI's next model family. An internal version produced 10 fresh results across group theory, quantum complexity, sphere packing, and lattice cryptography. The headline? The first ever construction of a non-sofic group. A question open since Mikhail Gromov raised the idea in 1999. But here's what actually matters. Every proof shipped with a Lean certificate. Lean is a language where a computer checks the math line by line, and it does not care who wrote it. 249 pages of it, sitting on GitHub, Apache licensed. You don't have to trust OpenAI, you can just run it. And Thomas Bloom, the guy who torched the October claim, called this one big news. So is math solved? No. Astra is locked up. Nobody outside the company can test it. A Lean certificate proves a proof is valid, not that it's important, and it is not a substitute for peer review. OpenAI didn't publish its training data or its methods, and it still has to clear a new federal safety review before anyone can use it. Bloom's own point stands too. This thing is standing on a century of human theory. Total compute bill? About $2,000. Astra still has to clear that review. Until then, I'm the tech bard, and those proofs are public. Go check them. Hit like and subscribe. This one's AI made, human checked before it went out. And if anything slipped, I'll want to know.